This is a car from another time. A time when a car was made by humans, for humans, and not made by machines to be driven by machines. And we were there. We were there when a driver enjoyed driving and nothing distracted the eyes from the road. When getting lost was part of going somewhere. When you called your car by a name because there was a special bond between you and your car. A bond inherited by your children and then by your grandchildren. This is a car from a time when a car didn't become old. It became a classic. Now make it eternal. Introducing the new SKF Classic Car Range, a line of original and premium products that can support you in keeping your car on the road for your every journey.